Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I just want to talk about why I took a long break, and that's because I was in the middle of moving my house and I found a better place to live, so we moved there, and then had to deal with some personal stuff, and then I was still doing the repairs, the small engine repairs while I was doing it, but I just didn't have time to film, or I didn't have my office set up to do editing or recording, you know, so I was just slam-packed busy over the last 3 months. But I have a lot more content coming your way. I just recorded a bunch of videos, so I'm going to be editing those soon, so stay tuned, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I hope to see you guys all back in the comment section, coming back up. If you guys have anything you need to repair or see, let me know below. I can probably help you out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying subscribed. I'm sorry about the break. I wish I would have let you guys know. But other than that, I hope to see you all in the future. I just got done recording a cool video over at a wildlife rescue, so that'll probably be next week or the week after that. So yeah guys, hit that subscribe button. Sorry about being gone so long. I tried to get on a few live streams. I was on Phil's a few times, and I think I was on Mix once while I was gone, you know, here and there when I had time. But other than that, I'm back into the recording business and the YouTube business. So thank you guys. Have a good one.